close up here. Alright, see you tomorrow. Hello, Whisper? May I leave what now, here? Meet me up the road. Well, you man say no bring the camera come there.
That's what I tell boss, you can have to go to plan B now.
Yep. You know what I say. What you? Didn't I say you just go at the rehearsal? Proper photographer.
They say for dress for the part, so yeah.
This nice. This look good. See there? Tony, at this you wear? Me know me tell you dress the part.
A true at the dress rehearsal.
A two Christian people are get married. This inappropriate. Tonian, you need to dress simpler. Do something with your face. Wear a glasses, something. You look like one of the girls from Outer Charlie's Angel.
So you want me look like a nerd then?
Yeah. In this line of business, less is more.
So I'm tell you?
Yeah.
So Whisper, who this down here, sir?
Oh, think of the pastor that when she introduced him, she said the pastor.
Yeah, him name Gladstoneberry.
Alright. So what is the report?
Well, when I see now all the people come on the rehearsal, it look like a private thing. Well, at that, Master said to me differently. He said, this is a private wedding, so it look like me they are the wrong place. So I can't take a picture there. That's the next thing. Can't go back with that.
Alright. So that means I can't send you back as a photographer. I forgot find a different way for to scout out the place.
Oh, bossy. The politician brother, Carlton, him did there, you know.
I wonder what he might do there. Cause based on how things did say, he might not never live on good terms. But come to think of it, you know, so when she turned her life over to Christ, she said she want to make back the peace with him. So maybe she make the peace and them good again. So maybe my turn give away father.
Oh, but I never am alone still. And next one they did there. And you see him now, and him me did see up and down that as black.